to battle for the right.
We give our lives with glad intent to die for God and Thee, to serve, to suffer, and be spent to set our brothers free. Wesleyan University, all lead us on to right. With Thee, our God, our ways is right to face the world aright. We trust God for the grace to win the high victorious goal, where purity shall conquer sin in Christ like self-control.
Tapos na.